Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model X. We'll cover everything from home charging solutions to public superchargers, ensuring you always have power for your journeys. Understanding your charging options and best practices is key to maximizing your Model X's performance and battery longevity. Let's dive into the details of keeping your electric vehicle ready for the road. Charging at home is the most convenient way to power your Model X. The Tesla wall connector is recommended, offering up to 44 miles of range per hour. For a slightly slower but still efficient option, a NEMA 1450 outlet can add around 30 miles of range per hour. Even a standard household outlet works, though it's best for topping off slowly overnight. When you're on the go, public charging networks offer excellent solutions. Tesla superchargers are incredibly fast, capable of adding many miles of range in just minutes, with some delivering up to 250 kilowatts. For longer stops, destination chargers at hotels or restaurants provide convenient AC charging. Remember to use your in-car navigation to find available chargers and precondition your battery for optimal speed. To maximize your Model X battery's lifespan, aim to keep its charge between 20 and 80% for daily use. For longer trips, you can charge to 100% just before departing. Always use your car's navigation to a supercharger. This preconditions the battery for the fastest possible charging speeds. The Tesla app is also a great tool for monitoring and managing your charging sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.